Big breath. Ready, go. Splash toes. Kick, 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 kick. You did it! You did it! You're splashing your toes and you're swimming. That's awesome.
Great.
You want to swim back? Yeah. If you splash your toes and you swim just like that, you can swim all the way to the blue line. You want to do it? Big breath and splash toes, please. Ready, go. Oh, I want to hear that breath. Wait. Ready, go. Good. Splash toes, splash toes, splash toes. Kick, 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 kick. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Good job. You're swimming. Okay. Yeah, let's get it. Do you want to swim back to me and we can do our back float? Are you going to do a big breath and splash those toes and dig your hands? Okay, you're doing so good, Kyra. Okay, stand up. Arms out. Ready, go. Splash toes, kick, 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 kick.
Oh, that's a
Wow, that was great. You did a good
Jeez.
job. Did you swim far? Look how far you swam.
Oh my gosh.
Look, that's so far. Did yours
Yes.
sing or count during your back float? Sing.